I gave an AI $10,000 of my own money and told it to trade based only on what Donald Trump says. Tweets, statements, rally cries. Could this AI analyze its words and actually beat the market before the investors react? Well, I built the bot, fund a brokerage account with $10,000 and let it run wild for a week. We all know politics moves markets. A single tweet or policy hint can send stock into a frenzy. Most investors react after the news. What if an AI could be faster? What if it could read the exact languages of a White House briefing and turn that into actionable buy or sell calls in real time? That's the challenge I set for myself. Build, deploy, and trade live on AI signal alone. The system has 3 core steps. First, political signal. A scraper monitors officials' briefing, grabs full text as soon as it's published. Second, market context. At the same moment, we pull that day closing price and volume for 4 tickers: NVDA, RDDT, TSMC, and Alibaba via a financial API. Third, AI analysis. We feed the text plus the stock data into an OpenAI powered model with a precise prompt asking for sentiment scores and trading signals. But you can't just dump info on the AI, you have to guide it. My prompt says, read the attached White House statement and the closing price for NVIDIA, RDDT, TSMC, and Alibaba. For each stock, assign a sentiment score from -1 to +1, justify it in 1 sentence. Then recommend buy, sell, otherwise hold. Acknowledge the limited data scope. That structure forces the AI to quantify its feeling and explain its reasoning. No more black box guessing. Let's build it. First, to get the latest statements from the White House website, we'll make a scraper. If you don't know what is a scraper, here is a simple explanation. We will make a fake user that recreates the web page. In our case, the last White House statement. This user will read the whole content of the page and try to find relevant keywords. If he finds them, we will ask him to extract them. Now, let's implement the logic. We define our base URL and a function to scrape this page. This will fetch the web page and extract specific contents. In our case, the specific content is links redirecting to statements. Now that we have our links, we will fetch the latest one and extract the content. Now we need to fetch the stock data. To do it, we will use the FMP API. Take this as a shop. In this shop, you can buy access to specific resources from apps. For example, Uber Eats may offer you an API in exchange of money to make orders automatically without using their app. FMP is a well-known API that offers free access to fetch stocks data with a limited number of requests. We have the latest statement and 5 days of historical data on our selected stocks. Let's make the magic happen. As mentioned before, we'll use ChatGPT to analyze the content, using their own API like FMP, but for requesting GPT an analysis and making a prediction. How awesome! We can extract statements, stocks, and make prediction. Let's save the generated file. Okay, time to test it. It's working as expected. Let's start the week and let him play with 10 grand. Here's the deal. We went live on April 7th using the AI signals to pass real trade at each closing price. Positions were equally weighted across the 4 stocks. Held through the close of April 15, no human overrides, no stop losses, 100% AI, 100% real money. Let's see how it performed. Day 1, April 7. We bought our 4 positions at today close. No profit or loss yet. Just gear up for the week ahead. Day 2, April 8. Rough start. We lost about $374. All stocks have lost a couple of dollars. No big deal, just the first day. Day 3, April 9. New day and a massive rebound. We've earned $1,442 today. Donald Trump just announced the end of this trade war, so the stock bounced up. Day 4, April 10. Today we are back in the red, minus $542. That was predictable after the end of the trade war. NVIDIA, RDDT, and TSMC lost a lot of money due to the high trading volumes. Day 5, April 11. We are back in business. Nice bounce, plus $244. TSMC jumped to $5.95, but we've lost money already. Day 6, April 14. Pretty flat day, plus $42. Alibaba was the hero at plus $6.24. The other hedged down slightly. Day 7, April 15. Small pullback, minus $23 as Alibaba and Reddit slipped, but NVIDIA and TSMC held up enough to close out. All told, here's the real result from April 7 to April 15. On Alibaba, we've made plus $144. With TSMC, we've made plus $189. On Reddit, obviously, plus $89.99. And the monster, NVIDIA, we've made plus $364 for a total of $788 gain on $9,780. deployed. That's plus 8.1% in 7 trading days. An 8.1% real return is eye-popping. But it wasn't smooth sailing. We missed early dips, worldwide swings, and all of this was based on one data stream: political statements. Let's break down what worked and what almost blew us up. What worked? The AI nailed that massive rally on April 9 when policy language aligned perfectly with tech and trade teams. What didn't? Day 2's deep caught us off guard, and sometimes markets move on other news the AI didn't see. What we can improve? First, ingest more sources: tweet, press, question and answer, Fed minutes. Second, fine-tune the model on past performance for adaptive learning. Third, add basic fundamentals and technical indicators for context. And lastly, build in risk guards, stop losses, position sizing rules, human oversight. Trading on political language is powerful and potentially dangerous. Because AI could amplify volatility and fully automated system can spiral out of control. Always pair AI with human oversight, transparency, and responsible guardrails. This isn't a toy, it's real money, real markets, real consequences. There you have it, our fully live experiment. AI reading White House statement, dispatching trades and delivering an 8.1% gain in 7 trading days. Is this the future of trading or just a risky gimmick? Let me know in the comments if you found this mind-bending. Hit like, subscribe for more wild AI experiment and ring that bell. Thanks for watching, stay curious, stay cautious, and I see you in the next deep dive.